Hello everyone, today I will show you how to sync Gmail contacts to iPhone. And here's how it is done. Start by opening the Contacts app. In the top left corner, click on the list button to see your contacts. If you are just getting started, you might only see a few contacts. Next, go back to your iPhone's home screen and open Settings. Scroll down and find the Mail app. You may need to tap Apps first, then scroll to Mail and tap on it. Once in Mail, select Accounts and click on Add Account if you haven't added your Google or Gmail account yet. Since mine is already added, I just tap on it directly. Now make sure the contacts toggle is turned on. When prompted, click Keep on my iPhone to save any existing contacts. That's it. It is now synced. Head back to the Contacts app and you will see your Gmail contacts listed. To view them all together, click on All Contacts. And that is everything you need to know about how to sync Gmail contacts to iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.